Mouse Clubhouse. Christmas all year long. It's Christmas Eve in the clubhouse, and outside the snow is falling down.
Oh dear! If Santa's sleigh gets stuck in this bad snowstorm,
says Minnie.
You know what that means.
What? asked Goofy.
No Christmas presents for us this year.
Minnie sighs. Gosh, says Goofy sadly. We need help. We sure do, Mickey agrees. Just like we did last summer. Oh, Toodles, he calls. Toodles brings the Muskatools, a hot dog, a toy monkey, a pillow, and a mystery Muskatool.
Goodness! How could a hot dog help us?
Asked Minnie. Well, it helped me, Minnie, Mickey tells her. That surprise picnic you planned helped me have a great summertime. How can a toy monkey help anyone? Asked Daisy. I know, says Mickey. Remember when Pete lost his favorite toy monkey? Well, we helped Pete when we found it for him. And a pillow? Wonders Goofy.
Oh, I know that,
says Donald.
A pillow helped me when I was learning to skate. You slid it under me when I fell on the ice.
Oh, shucks, says Goofy. I was just being your friend.
Maybe that's what Toodles Muskatools are for, says Minnie. To help us remember that friends are the best gift of all.
You're right, says Mickey. But what about the mystery Muskatool? Suddenly, there's a noise on the roof. It's Santa with a big bag of presents. You made it through the snow, says Mickey. I did, Santa says, looking up at Toodles, whose mystery Muskatool is a tray of milk and cookies. Just in time for a snack. Ho, 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 ho. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Mouse Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and happy holidays!